You might be interested to know that your car can help you parallel park and get you into and out of a tight parallel parking spot. In fact, thanks to available enhanced active park assist with side sensing system and distance control, it can also let you know if there are any objects in front of, behind, or next to your vehicle. Let me show you how it works. To activate the Park Assist feature, press the Active Park Assist button on the center console. Here, then signal to indicate which side you'd like the vehicle to search. An information screen will appear on your center display, and the system will begin to scan for available parking spots. Once an appropriate spot is found, you'll hear a chime and see a Spot Found message on your screen. Follow the prompts on your screen. Accelerating, shifting, and braking is needed. And be sure to watch your mirrors and your surroundings for any objects which you may be getting too close to. Active Park Assist can also help you get out of a tight parallel parking space, which is great if someone is parked too close in front of or behind you. Just press the same Active Park Assist button you used to park. Let go of the steering wheel, then simply follow the prompts displayed on your screen. Once again, you just accelerate, shift, and brake as needed. In addition, the system can help you back into a perpendicular or traditional parking spot. Just press the Active Park Assist button 2 times, signal to indicate which side you want to park on, then simply follow the prompts displayed on your screen. Accelerating, shifting, and braking is needed. And keep in mind, you can cancel the parking process at any time by grabbing the steering wheel or pressing the activation button again. Your vehicle also has something called side sensing. It's an enhancement to your forward and reverse sensing systems that uses a chime and a visual diagram display on your touchscreen with red, yellow, and green highlights to indicate where the closest object to your vehicle is detected. Red indicates the closest and green the farthest away. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.